Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing FLR Network taking over the world of finance. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3,000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let's see what's happening with FLR, with Hugo, with the FLR community, what's new. So, guys, let's start with the community. Look at this. This is LUD XRP FLR. Breaking out of the falling wedge and is above the F50 moving average since a long time and testing the 50 moving average again. I wonder what happens next. So look at this, guys. Massive support with this trend line over here. Then we've got lines over here. This is a falling wedge over here, guys, as you can see. So if it breaks out, if it has basically broken out through this area, it has retested this. If it retests this and sustains the support level, I think that the price can go way up from this level, guys. Look at this. If it this is a really crucial area over here. This indeed is a massive support. If the price rebounds with vigor, with energy, vehemently, we might see a really great move up and breaking resistance along the way. So awesome. Look at this. DeFi Daddy. Wake up, people. DeFi is going to take over the world of finance. Kinetic is the bank of FLR with F assets, borrowing and lending for BTC and XRP and hundreds more, guys. F assets indeed is a game changer, guys. If the market reacts to it and the utility, basically, aside from market, if the utility kicks in, guys, it has the potential to be huge. Look at this kinetic market. In the not too distant future, Joule will be listed on a new big centralized exchange. The steady expansion of FLR Network's DeFi continues. Joule is coming to a new big centralized exchange. So great news from Kinetic and FLR trying to take over the world of finance with its DeFi. Let's see what's happening on official handles. Okay, so this is 2 hours ago. Why we believe enshrining greater than staking. Decoding Hugo Fillion. Restaking. Look at this, guys. AVS2 contains slashing risk 1 and slashing risk 2. Okay. So, number 1, guys, why is it better or greater enshrining according to this post? Risk exposure. Reusing the layer 1 token introduces risks across all staking layers, potentially impacting dApps dependent on restaked security. Operation burden. Every additional AVS increases complexity, costs, and responsibility. Node operators face higher risks as scaling missteps could result in slashing events. Number 3, capital competition. AVS providers must offer better yields than Ethereum staking APR, intensifying competition. So intense competition, guys, ultimately can be a good, and it is a double-edged sword in my opinion. This could inadvertently affect Ethereum's overall network security. Enshrining, on the other hand, integrates essential like oracles directly into the core of the blockchain. At FLR Networks, that means every oracle feed enjoys network level security, guys. Look at this. All network validators stake plus delegate. These are the FLR holders. All validators contribute to every price, guys, every single price feed. And network agrees every update based on stake, blockchain and Web2 Oracle, Flare time series Oracle over here, dApps, Flare on-chain, guys. So Hugo has also given his stake over here. In Hugo we trust. So let's see what Hugo has to say. A hill I will die on, enshrining greater than restaking from a security perspective. Restaking just self hypothecates the layer 1 token, embedding the risk of each layer of staking, restaking. The further along the restaking stack, the more fragile the security becomes. Restaking exposes each service to a competition for capital across services and against DeFi. So basically believes that it is against the ethos of DeFi, reducing the potential security available for each service relative to using the layer 1 token directly. Crypto was founded at a time of intense realization of the risks to financial engineering. It is sad to see the same mistakes being repeated. So restaking is double counting, and instead of yield you get some points that are not redeemable. Enshrining beats restaking for security. Restaking adds too much risk and fragility as it layers, repeating past financial engineering mistakes. On point, another example of this Wild West-like phase we are still in, and the key word is that still in. Still a lot of projects haven't learned. So although it does appear to be maturing at a more rapid pace, hopefully soon we will see the heart of what this pace was truly about take center stage, a diehard of true decentralization that also brings maximum security. We love Hugo. So talking about Hugo, let's see, has he posted any new interesting stuff about DeFi, about Flare? So what is this? Data is the backbone of the modern world, especially in DeFi. Hugo Fillion, CEO of Flare Network, guys. That data, guys, indeed is the backbone of the modern world, guys. This is where the title of this video comes from, guys. Explore how Flare Network is leveraging blockchain and AI to build a more secure and efficient Oracle system. Let's see what this is.
Flare is layer 1. It runs the Ethereum virtual machine. Its key difference is that it has enshrined oracles. And what this means is that traditionally you have a blockchain and you have an external oracle system. The oracle system does not derive security from the blockchain. It has to create its own security model, and most of them don't have a very strong or well-definable security model. Oracles are securing $40 billion of value. There are losses that people can take from bad oracle prices. What we've done is we basically put those oracles that are traditionally external to the chain, we've made them part of the chain and unified the security model of the data with the security model of the chain. So that essentially what is securing the validators is also securing the oracles. That makes it more honest. It also means that you can quantifiably understand how much value is securing a market you're using. Quite an obvious thing to do, and I don't know why people didn't do it before.
Guys, I totally agree with this because Flare is doing everything internally. It has enshrined Oracle system. It has an enshrined Oracle system, guys. You do not rely on third parties, on other external players to provide you data that can further compromise security in the long haul. You never know, guys. You never know when you rely on external sources for your own data. That I think that isn't secure, guys. That is a risk in and of itself. So Flare, being a layer 1, it is self-reliant. It is basically sovereign in its approach of how it deals with stuff, so further enhancing its use case and security in the process. So what else do we have over here? Okay, so this is from Flare official handle. 3 challenges to on-chain AI adoption. Number 1, complex compute. Number 2, data richness. Number 3, confidentiality. And there's a possible solution. Who wants to hear more? So guys, let's see.
So right now, the primary challenge is the amount of compute that's required to actually perform AI. So I actually mentioned 3 of these challenges. So the first one is scalability. How do we actually get the complex compute that's required by AI? Second is data richness. How do we get the huge amounts of data required by AI? And a third one, which you can also think about, is confidentiality, right? Let's say I'm dealing with some sensitive data. It could be things like healthcare data and so on. I maybe don't want to publish all that data to the blockchain, right? Because I want that data to remain private, especially if I'm like an institution or something. I want that data to remain private and remain confidential, right? The question then becomes is how do we solve all three of those problems, right? And I think verifiable off-chain compute, it allows for all three of them to be solved. You can get the level of scalability that you need to actually build AI without actually sacrificing any of the verifiability guarantees that you come to expect with Web3. So those are the three challenges, and that's a possible solution.
So guys, a Flare network providing solutions to data related problems, keeping it secure, keeping it safe, keeping it efficient, keeping it scalable along the process. Guys, before we cap it up, I want to show you another event that Hugo is becoming a part of. You guys can see that. Just a moment. Where was it? Yeah. So October 22 to 23, for those of you that are in Dubai, UAE, you can hear Hugo speak. Hugo, the co-founder of Flare, CEO of Flare Labs, the main event in the heart of crypto. You guys can see that Hugo Fillion takes the stage at Blockchain Life 2024 in Dubai. The co-founder of Flare Networks and CEO of Flare Labs shares his insights in 22 days. Over 10,000 attendees from 120 plus countries joined the crypto event of the year, guys. For those of you that are interested, guys, they can buy tickets blockchainlife.com. So I really like these events, guys, because it gives exposure to what Flare is doing, and Hugo is a really good speaker, so an orator, a good speaker, so it's good. Anyways, guys, what do you guys think about Flare Network and its data related solutions, Oracle related solutions? Do you think data is indeed the blockchain of modern society? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.